Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix your Gmail password in case you couldn't sign in. Google is asking so that use a device where you have signed in before or answer as many questions as you can. So it happens sometimes when you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really yours. So in that condition, guys, don't worry, either you have forgot your Gmail password or someone who has stolen your Gmail password, hacked or hijacked. Here is a little bit exceptional case, guys. This story has been provided by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to losing of his device now, he is not in position to other risk of his because by a normal method he has attempted, exhausted finally, and then he has recommended. So let's see, we will try to generate a more alternative option here, and which one will be a best, that we will pick the needn't. Yes, recovery email and the recovery phone, and easily we will just go ahead. So we will see live in this tutorial, but this is only for institution purpose. You can risk of your own, especially don't try on any others one. So as having this kind of the problem, that is saying so that you did not provide. So if you are having this kind of the problem, then first and foremost, normal method I have attempted but exhausted me also. So here what we will do here now, just we will come on this Play Store. In the Play Store, of course, we will come on here and we will write here ULLA, and of course this browser we will go for and tap on it. So when we tap on it, then here is installation option. Let's install it. So when we install in this browser, easily we can risk of it. So now see here, it's a total size of approximately 100 MB. So let it install, complete installation. On the other hand, of course, we have two changes. So take any smartphones, guys, apply a similar strategy, of course. Now we will come in app info and how many browser you have, of course, scan and apply a similar strategy on all browser. Well, coming notification, and coming notification we will have to make it off. Then of course we will have to come in a locations, so where it is, especially will come the permissions too, of course will come the locations too, of course we will make it the precise location of, so navigation will not be easy. Now see here, just we have the close. Now what we will do here, just we will have to back one more times. Before backing, remove the permission and the free of that should be disabled, guys. Apply a similar strategy quickly you can, the rest of it, so with the help of Google Assistant. So how it is, just now we'll back and we will come set as a default, set as a default. So when we tap here, guys, this page will be especially in this link, so make it clear these all defaults, and open supported links that should be disabled. So it's already disabled, guys. Now as we know that we have if we inside here Google, so once again we have one another browser, that is Chrome. So of course we will apply a similar strategy on it also. Free up space off notifications, let's tap on it. So it has off now. Yes, now once again we will come in a permission, let's tap on it. When the coming the permission, the free of space, that is off finds. Now we will come in a especially location, make it precise location off, and upon tap on here, so it's saying that if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device may no longer the function agenda. For time being I'm doing it, so if you are applying with any new smartphones, and then do it, and after that you will have to make it all once again enables. Now here we will back and free of space is already off, so we have done everything from my side. Now we will come to the Play Store. On the Play Store, let's check it out, it has been installed. So now just to see here, just we will have to go for a start. So when we click on it here, let's see, especially of course we will tap on it and we will tap to the next, and the phones, let's finish. When we tap to the finish, then see this page, especially this browser, has been finally open here. Now just to simply we will have to tap on a search bar, write only once Google and go for search. So now we can see here, yes, we will pick these ones, and when we pick now here is options to other sign-ins. Fines. Now we will go for here. Tap to especially this particular ID that we would like to recover, guys. Surely. Now, of course, we will have to tap to especially the next. And when we tap to next, guys, now see, my viewer was too much worried, especially to the rescue of us. But don't worry, of course, we will rescue and deliver to him today. Now here, just to see, we have option also that to try another ways. Of course, files. Maybe this device is especially lost. Now here, we will go for try another page because it's asking last password. We don't remember. Now it's a verified ID. See last one, the 96 is a phone number. So he doesn't have the phone. Otherwise, of course, we can text or call here the two options and easily we can the reset of the password of this particular Gmail. But we don't have, so just we will click here. Here is option given that I don't have my phones. Now here is a saying so that you did not provide enough information once again, but use the device where you have to sign in before, and the second is that of course answer as many questions as you can, and third is alternative email. Fourth one is more tips to the rescue of these accounts. If you are having these, the more tips to the rescue of these accounts, mean surely your accounts can be the rescue. Don't click on here, try again, otherwise of course maybe a Google will traction as. And the trying to do, of course, and the rescue option this accounts by a different browser, so it will be a free for time being. So let's say take a Google Assistant, and itself Google will rescue of it now. So here we will come in setting to, of course, you will have option that is a Google services and the preferences. In there, of course, we have a 3 dot here. Just we will pick a help option. So now see here what's the saying is special items on the Google. So now here, yes, is a special item search browser. So just we will help search. So there we'll have to write a hacked Gmail. Yes, they are the thanks to the rescue of it. So now hacked Gmail recovery. So just we will have to wait here, and this page of course will give you links that secure hacked or the compromised Google accounts. Now here just we will come on just a little bit here. That comes review your account activities by these options. Here is option that to find out if your account has been hacked. Tap on it. So now after tapping, of course, we have here these steps. Now when we tap on these steps, so what will happen, guys? Here make it sure that the two option is coming here, that create a replacement Google account, so by getting locked out of your Gmail accounts. If two option is coming, means surely we are coming on a Google account recovery page. So this is a real Google account recovery page. Otherwise, if you open there are the various kind of course, various types of the situation. There will be a Google account recovery page, but that will not be work. So on a this confirm it. Now here that we are on this, and by confirmation by two options, so that we can confirm it. So now tap on it, account recovery. So directly would be a transfers to the recovery page, guys, and just we will wait here. When we tap or one clicks, automatically this ID would recommend to you by Google Assistant. Tap on an X and don't do anything. See, automatically this ID will be recovered. A little bit it has taken a time. So now see here we have two options, and that is especially one is a continue, second is update password. So don't click on a continue, otherwise maybe you will trap in its verify option. So tap on update password. When we tap on update password, now we have the strong opportunity to generate or create a special password, confirm password, go for save it, don't skip it. And after saving, we will go in a Google account management, and the Google account management there go in a security and they add recovery email first, and after adding that we can remove this old recovery phone number and add a new phone number. So this ID will be a fully secured. This thing further we cannot show you guys. This is a privacy concern of my viewer. He was too much worried. So now I will deliver to especially my after recovery special items in this to my viewers. So thank you for staying the tail end of this tutorial, guys, and this is the technology welfare. I will be back with a step-by-step new tutorial, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share this content, because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot to make such as informative tutorial, guys. So thank you, and it really supports the channel. So thank you for visiting technology welfare. Thank you very much indeed. Bye bye.